Well, it's been a few weeks since we got to work on the building. We've had a death in the family and we took a little vacation. But we're going to get back to putting the roof on in the next few days. Today's some prep work, getting some fascial boards painted, getting them nailed up, getting some drip edge, and then we're going to start tearing off the roof and putting on a new roof. So stick around, let's see what happens. We put the old Kawasaki 4x4 to work today. Thing's a hoss. Got over 1,500 pounds of shingles on there based on the internet's calculation of the weight of each pack, and it pulled it around with no problem. Good piece of equipment to have around when you don't have a tractor. We'll be putting up some fascial board on that 2x4 up there. We got felt on the new addition, but we got to tear off the shingles on the old roof to replace them all at this one time. Still got a ways to go. Hadn't hit a lick at it in probably 3 weeks with everything else that's been going on. So I'm just sanding the little price tag stickers, barcode stickers off the back, because I'm not real sure which side will face out. And then we'll take a chance of painting over that and it facing out and then peeling off later. So we got it sanded off. You cannot peel those things off, even with a knife. Somebody didn't film today, but I cut out some windows, finished nailing the siding up, attached some fascial board up at the top, got the felt trimmed up. Got all my roofing supplies here. Tomorrow we start tearing off and putting shingles on, hopefully before the end of the day. All right, the work's begun. We're tearing off the roof today and putting a new roof on. Don't know how far we'll get, but come along for the ride. Might learn something, might get bored. Probably do a time lapse, so I won't bore you too much. But it's 7 o'clock. We're trying to get an early start, but already humid out here. Humidity's picked back up. All right, let's get busy. Starting on day 2 of roofing. This is what we got done yesterday. Pretty much, this is what my son got done yesterday. He was doing all the nailing. I was just the toady boy handing out the shingles. But we're getting ready to do the front side. Getting a late start today. We've had some rain, but stay tuned. We'll see what the finished product looks like. got it done. Ran into some issues when replacing the roof. Had some rotten wood, but took us about a day and a half to roof it all. Looks good. I appreciate the help of my family helping me out. It's nothing like it. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Till we see you the next time. Have a good one.